Hello, K. Jolie, Crochet Basics, and this is a vlog preview I've been doing. And this is number 14 on the vlog train, Don't Break the Chain. So, just a quick check-in this week, I think. So I did finish Trevor, but I was thinking there's something off with him, or he needs some kind of extra detailing or something. So I'm trying to work that out, but more or less the whole pattern is written up and the pictures are taken and everything. So gonna decide within the next day or two if I'm gonna change anything on him before I post the pattern, you know. But I was thinking maybe something with the legs or something with the nose. But I'll see, you know, because I do strive to have it, you know, look like it should. Like really capture what it's, you know, supposed to look like and stuff like that. So we'll see with that. And I totally left Boots behind again. I picked it up. I keep looking at it. And I was thinking the reason I can't finish it is the color of the face. Really, I was thinking it's too pink. And so I don't want to restart it, but knowing me, I'm going to restart it. Probably put it aside, put this one aside, and make a new one with a lighter pink and see where I go with that. Because sometimes the colors just throw me off. I don't know if, like, sometimes they just do, I think. Well, something is throwing me off on this. But, like, you know, like, even with the Barry, like, I kept saying I was having a problem with the Barry. And I kept saying, like, it wasn't the yarn, but I think it was the color that I was using. It was only a shade different than this, but a different brand. And for some reason, it was throwing me off. Like, I couldn't get through it until I started over with a different type of yarn. Slightly different color. So sometimes it's just the color that throws me off. Like it just makes me like shut down, I guess, and not be able to finish a project, which is like, I don't know if that's like a bad thing, I guess. But it also makes me figure it out, so maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. Hard to say. So I did put Boots aside, of course, like I said, and I started another character from the Kiff. Which is actually going pretty smoothly so far. I mean, I haven't gotten to the bits and bobs, mainly just the you know, like the shape of the head and the body and stuff, but it's going pretty smoothly. But usually I'm good at shaping that. So, you know, and it's so funny because I was like talking to my sister about it, and I said, you know, like, I'm really, I feel so clever. Like, I'm really showing my experience or my talents off by doing these characters, you know. Like, I feel like, you know, like with the shaping and everything, because most of the tutorials I have on YouTube are easier things, and most of the patterns, like, I really try and put like easy, like, you know, beginner to intermediate and everything. And this is like the first time I'm actually putting up like more advanced patterns. And it's not that I don't work more advanced patterns. I just don't normally like post them. Like, I don't normally think like, oh, you know, other people, like, people would want to work them or buy them or whatever it is, you know, like, it's like something in my head, I guess. But it's kind of funny because I follow all these entrepreneurial accounts on Instagram. You know, you click on one thing and this, like, you know, you get all these crazy posts and stuff. And they always say like a flex, you know. And to me, I'm like, a flex, I guess, is like a mic drop, you know. Like, yeah, you know, like, I'm done. Drop the mic. And I feel like, you know, being able to shape these characters and make them look like how, you know, the pictures are and stuff like that, I think, like, that is showing off my talents, which is, like, nice, I think. Because I don't really, like, I don't do such detailed stuff that I show anyone. Does that make sense? Like, you know, like I'll make dolls and stuff like that, but I don't really post them. I don't post them on Instagram. I don't post them on YouTube or you know, put the patterns up for sale or any kind of thing. They're more or less gifts for people and stuff like that. So I think, like, you know, like this is like a change of pace for me. Really putting in like the details and stuff like that is like a real change of pace, and I like it. It makes me feel like I am evolving, and I'm you know, like I'm more confident in my skills. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. More confident in my skills. I like that. So I think that's where I'm going with this one. So that's where I'm at. I might change his legs before I post him. I have another character from this series coming out. It's working out pretty good. And Boots, I'm probably going to end up restarting from the very beginning and doing something with the coloring. A lighter pink or something, or maybe a lavender or something. Something. And I think that's it for this one. So, thank you so much for watching, as always. If you, again, if you like my style, you want to see a pattern, whatever, doll clothes, whatever it is, Cabbage Patch or, you know, Barbie stuff and things like that. Comment questions below. If you request something, if I can accommodate, I will. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, as always. And happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you out of trouble. And super cool number 14 on the vlog train, you know. Go me. I'm keeping up with it. And these Wednesdays just keep getting closer and closer together. So, and that's where I'm at. So, have a good day, night, whatever you're doing. Take care now. Ciao. Bye.